Hello, dear listeners. Dear listeners, we are doing reading for understanding, and today I will take the next exercise, which is given on page number 120. Exercise A2. Read the following extract. So here I will read the extract, and you will try to understand. Jules Verne was a Frenchman who was born in 1828. He was not an inventor and he was not a scientist, but he read a great many books on science. He had a very strong imagination and he loved adventures, although he did not have many great adventures himself. He wrote a number of exciting books about the things which he thought that scientists and inventors would one day be able to do. At that time, his story seems like fairy tales. Many of Jules Verne's attempts to look into the future, however, were surprisingly accurate. One of his books was called From Earth to Moon. In this, three men and a dog made a journey around the moon. They did this in a hollow ship fired from a gun. After going around the moon, they returned to Earth and splashed down into the sea not far from where the first real moon travel landed in July 1969, about 100 years later. Jules Verne's most famous book is 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Jules Verne died in 1905 when he was 77. Many years later, explorers really did go to the moon, and one part of the moon was given Jules Verne's name. So here I read the extract. Now exercise. Tick the correct answer. First question is Jules Verne wrote a number of books on. Option A is science, option B is comedy, option C is tragedy. So right answer is science. Next is three men and a dog made a journey around the moon in the book. Option A 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Option B is From Earth to Moon. Option C Around the World in 80 Days. Right answer is From Earth to Moon. Next is exercise. State whether the following statements are true or false. First is Jules Verne was a scientist. So he was not a scientist. We will write false here. Next is Jules Verne had a very strong imagination. It's true. Next is the ship splashed down into the sea not far from where the first moon travels landed. So, statement it again true. So, hope you have done it. Next is answer the following questions. First is why was one part of moon given Verne's name? So here, um, because because he had because he had made because he had made a journey around it means moon. One part of the moon given Verne's name because he had made a journey around it moon. Next is find words from the passage which mean the same as. First is with nothing inside it. Hollow. Next is without any mistake. Accurate. Next is complete the following table. So here we have a table. इसको भी complete करना है. Name of the person they have already done. Jules Verne. Nationality French man. ठीक है तो French लिखेंगे यहाँ पर. French. Nationality French. Born in 1828 and died in 1905, and age when he died 77, which has already given here. So dear student, that's all for the day. Tomorrow I will take the next exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.